Welcome to today's journey through the fascinating world of machine learning, the driving force behind the most innovative technologies of our era. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding data scientist, or just curious about the future, this video is your comprehensive guide to understanding machine learning. First, let's demystify machine learning. Imagine teaching your computer to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict outcomes without explicit programming. That's machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence where systems learn and improve from experience. But how does it work? It starts with data, the raw material. This data is fed into algorithms, sets of rules and statistical methods that allow the machine to learn. Over time, with more data and adjustments, these algorithms become more accurate in their predictions and decisions. Now, let's explore its applications, transforming industries worldwide. In healthcare, machine learning predicts disease outbreaks, personalizes treatment, and even assists in complex surgeries. In finance, it powers fraud detection systems and algorithmic trading. The possibilities are endless, from self-driving cars to smart assistants like Siri and Alexa. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the impact. Machine learning is reshaping the job market, demanding new skills and creating new opportunities. It's driving innovations that are improving lives, making services more accessible, and opening doors to discoveries we've yet to imagine. As we wrap up, remember, machine learning is not just a buzzword, it's a catalyst for change. It's an invitation to all of us to learn, adapt, and be part of this exciting journey into the future. Stay tuned and dive deeper into the world of machine learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's unlock the potential of machine learning and pave the way for a smarter, more connected world.